guys, Christine here. As you can see, I have a baby on the way. So I figured it'd be nice to show you what we offer for babies here on Clifton Hill at our two souvenir stores, the Canada Training Company and the Fun Factory. So I'm going to start off with the Canada Training Company. Baby gift ideas. Stuffed animals, we have them from Gun here in different colors and different varieties. There's bears and dogs. Up here we have photo frames and boys and girls. And there's also trinket boxes and boys and girls as well. So this one's for a girl. You put your baby's picture in there and you just put trinkets in there. So whatever it is, lock of hair or baby's first tooth, whatever you want, just put it inside there. That one's for girls or boys. And music boxes. We have these, well, it's not a box, but a musical. So this photo frame too, our little angel, put the photo in the center, and then you can add the baby's first smile, first haircut, first step, and first bath. So those are some gift ideas that we have here at Canada Training Company, and I'm going to move over to the clothing. Canada Training Company has an area confined to baby clothes. So we have sleepers in 6 months, 12 months, okay, and 18 months in different varieties and styles. We also have t-shirts and socks. The Fun Factory now, we have more wacky type souvenirs. So we have a line here of sleepers, sidewalk talk by pavilion. And these are more comical sleepers from 6 months right to 24 months. So to give you an example, you got to dig through. There's a whole bunch of different ones, but I didn't want to go out, but I looked too good to stay home. Up here, ain't nobody got time for naps. Don't look at me, the cat did it. And my personal favorite, which I'm going to get for my little guy, I'll have a bottle of the house white. So like I say, just dig through here. There's a whole bunch of different sayings. Perfect for gift ideas or just for your little guy on the way. So we invite you here to Clifton Hill where you can dig through our souvenir stores and find something from infants right to seniors. So that was just a couple of items I showed you for infants. Come inside, take a look at both the Fun Factory and the Canada Training Company. So for Clifton Hill, I'm Christine, cliftonhill.com.